Now is available at McCarthy Cars BMW 5 Series, 520 diesel, M Sport, 2012 metallic dark blue. Car has front headlight washer, it's got front parking sensor, it's got front fog lights, 19-inch M Sport alloy wheels, it's got previous rear glass, roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor. Full black leather interior, it's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, chassis preparation. For electric window, electric mirror, folding mirror, electric seats, front auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation, it's got telephone, Bluetooth connection. Push button to start, auto start stop function, 2-zone climate control air conditioning, it's got heated seats, 2 central cup holders, automatic transmission, it's got comfort mode, sport mode, sport plus, Eco Pro, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shift. Thank you for watching.